Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how permanently change process priority Windows 11.10. To begin, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Now right-click on the game or application and click on Go to Details. In this window, right-click on the game and in the Set Priority line, you can assign the desired value. In this case, it is High. You must confirm this process. Then in the search box, enter Regedit. Click on Registry Editor, click Yes to access. Then you will go to the path you see on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. At this point, you are going to go to the Task Manager. Right-click on the game and choose Properties. Copy the name of the program. Then in the Registry Editor, right-click on the Image File Execution Options key. Select New and press key to paste the name of the game or app there. After that, right-click on the game key. Select New and key to enter the name perf options. Now in some free place, right-click and again select toward 32-bit value option. Assign the name CPU Priority Class. Then double-click on this created value. You must assign the value 3. Click on OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.